Is the NVIDIA DGX Spark TM really worth the $39,999 price tag? Or is it just a clever way to part developers from their cash? Let's keep it real. This is an official NVIDIA product, not some vaporware. The DGX Spark TM launched in October 2025, featuring the powerful GB10 Grace Blackwell superchip and a hefty 128GB of unified memory. You'll see it sold directly by NVIDIA and big names like Asus, Dell, and HP. But here's the catch. With all the hype, scammers have flooded in. Security experts and users have already flagged fake websites, some even mimicking companies like DXC Technology, offering deep discounts on units that don't exist. So, if you're buying, double-check the URL and stick to official partners. Now, about those scam accusations. Some folks claim it's a ripoff because at $39.99, the Spark offers less raw horsepower than a DIY rig stacked with dual 4090s or 5090s. It's true. The memory bandwidth is about 273 GB US, way less than a top-shelf desktop GPU, or even an Apple Mac Studio. The result? Token generation for local LLMs can be slower, which is a deal-breaker if you're chasing peak performance per dollar. Early adopters reported issues too: thermal throttling, loud fan noise, and the device sometimes not hitting its rated 240W power draw. But a major software update in January 2026 smoothed out many of those wrinkles, adding stability improvements and workflow playbooks for tools like Comfy UI and local model fine-tuning. So, who should actually buy this thing? If you're a researcher needing CUDA and massive memory to run 70B plus parameter models locally, without wrestling with multi-GPU setups, the DGX Spark TM is a solid bet. But if you're a gamer, general PC user, or just want max tokens per dollar, you'll get more value elsewhere. Bottom line, the DGX Spark TM is legit, but it's not for everyone.